Hello friends, I am Tejinder from Niti. As our event Mahamandi, I would like to tell you how to sell a product. So for selling a product, whenever you are approaching a customer, it's very important to introduce yourself in the beginning. Introduce yourself in such a manner that the customer should listen to you, the potential customer actually. Now second stage would be introducing the product. Like for example, if we are taking any product, say this number balance, introduce the product as in what this number balance is, who made this, as in the NGOs made it, what will the money do, what is our event, exactly. And after that, when you are explaining about the product, it is very important to tell how will the product be useful to them. Instead of telling that my product is very useful, it can balance, it can do addition, subtraction, multiplication of two-digit numbers. We can tell that for like for example, for children, it is very important to know addition, subtraction. It is a base of mathematics, and if the base is not strong, then they won't have good in their career. So for forming the base, such products can help a lot in having a clear picture of such important issues like addition, subtraction. Or if you are selling a pen to a customer, instead of telling that my pen, it's a blue colored ink, it has a grip, we can tell that whenever we go there, we need to write something, so it's useful to have a pen. So we need to relate the product to the customer's needs, and then the customer will also listen to you carefully, and the product will also be sold carefully. And last but not the least, you should be a very good listener. If the customer's needs are not relating to the products, and he is telling you that he is telling you his needs which can relate to some other product that you have, then you should listen to him instead of just keep continuing about the one product that you have started with. So be a good listener, and by following these things, I think you can sell better. Thank you.